If you are on your ACCA journey or just starting out, one of the biggest questions that may be on your mind, what is the practical experience requirement, the PER, and how do I fill it out? We have had countless students ask us this. How do I complete the PER? What counts as work experience? And can I get PER while I study? In today's video, we'll clear up all your doubts about PER for ACCA and guide you step by step on how to fill it out correctly. Let's begin with the basics. What is PER? PER stands for Practical Experience Requirement. It's a key part of becoming a full ACCA member. In addition to passing the exams, you need to demonstrate 3 years of relevant work experience in accounting or finance. Why is it important? Well, this experience helps you to apply the knowledge you've gained from ACCA's academics papers in the real-world situation. It's not just about passing the exams. PER ensures that you have the skills to work as a professional in accounting, finance, or business. Now let's clarify who can fill out the PER. Current students. If you're still studying, you can begin filling your PER while you're doing your exams. It doesn't have to wait until you finish your exams. You can start documenting your work experience as soon as you have a job that relates to finance or accounting. Working professionals. If you're already working in a finance or accounting role, you can start counting your experience right now. Just ensure your role aligns with the ACCA guidelines for relevant work experience. Next up, what counts as relevant experience for PER? For your experience to count towards PER, it must be related to accounting or finance. Here are the broad categories of experience that are acceptable. Accounting roles. If you're working in a financial accounting, management accounting, or tax preparation, your work will count towards PER. This includes tasks like preparing financial statements, conducting audits, and creating budgets, all of which are considered relevant experience for ACCA. Finance and business roles. If your role involves financial management, analysis, costing, or business planning, it also counts towards your PER. These roles require the application of financial principle and management skills which align with ACCA syllabus. Audit and assurance. Working in audit or performing internal control reviews is eligible for PER as long as the work is relevant to ACCA syllabus. This includes role where you're directly involved in asserting and ensuring your accuracy for financial reports and control. Consulting or advisory. If your job involves advising companies or clients on financial decisions or business strategies, it also counts towards your PER. Roles where you provide financial guidance, recommendations, strategies, or help businesses with critical decisions are directly relevant to ACCA competencies. In essence, if your job allows you to apply accounting principles and use the skills you are learning in your ACCA studies, it's likely relevant for PER. Now that we know what counts, let's talk about how exactly do you record your experience. ACCA has a dedicated online tool for submitting your PER called the MyACCA. It's very straightforward. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Log into MyACCA. First, log into your MyACCA account on your ACCA Global website. If you don't have an account yet, just create one. Record your job details. For each role, you'll enter job titles, start and end dates, job description, key responsibilities in finance, accounting, specific tasks that you're performing. Document competencies. You'll need to show how your work experience matches your ACCA competencies. These competencies are broken down into 6 key areas of finance, business, and must demonstrate. They include technical skills like financial reporting, audit, or taxation, leadership skills like managing teams or advising clients, professional ethics in decision-making, supervising approved employer. Ideally, your work experience should be supervised by an ACCA approved employer. An employer who has been approved by ACCA to mentor the students and verify their experience. Regular updates. You can update your experience regularly. This way, you can keep your submission up to date and gain more relevant experience. Once you have entered your experience, your ACCA mentor or approved employer will need to verify it. Once you've filled in your work experience in MyACCA, you will be asked to submit it for review. Mentor or employer verification. Your mentor or approved employer will need to verify the experiences you've recorded. They'll confirm that your experiences align with ACCA competencies and guidelines. If you don't have an approved employer, you can still submit it, but an independent mentor needs to confirm the relevance of your experience. Regular reviews. You'll also need to update your PER every year to ensure that it reflects your ongoing work and experience. Once verified, the PER will count towards your ACCA membership. Before we finish, here are a few common mistakes to avoid when you're filling out your PER. Not recording enough details. You need to provide clear, specific examples of your task and competencies. Show how you've applied your ACCA knowledge in your real-life situations. Not keeping it updated. If your work experience changes or if you take on new responsibility, make sure your PER is updated regularly. Ignoring competency areas. ACCA requires you to demonstrate a well-rounded set of competencies. Don't just focus on technical skills like accounting, also show your leadership and ethical decision-making. To wrap up, remember that your PER is an essential part of completing your ACCA qualification and becoming a full ACCA member. By carefully recording your relevant experience and keeping your MyACCA account updated, you are well on your way to meeting your requirements. If you still have any questions about PER or if you need help with planning your ACCA journey, feel free to reach out to us at FinPlanEdu. Like this video, hit a like, subscribe for more guidance on ACCA and career tips, and drop your questions in the comments down below. We are happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.